What did you do? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my mommy night routine, and I'm just going to show you guys what I do every night with my daughter. That's lotion and pasta in her hair. Yeah, tonight we had Alfredo, and it's just a long story. I'll insert some clips with the lotion. Pretty much after baby Wynter is done eating, I'm just gonna clean her up. Look at that ghetto-ness in the back. Y'all see that iPad just chilling on the deep freezer with no stand or case? Yeah, whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean baby Wynter up.
Okay, bye-bye. No.
And I'm also going to clean up her mess. I need to clean up. That'll be in another video. But yeah, right now you're just going to see me cleaning up her high chair. I'm going to leave a link down below of her high chair. It's actually like a 2-in-1, so it actually turns into a table. Sometimes I take it off, but she'll get up and roam around, so I can't be in two places at once. And after we're done, we're just going to start the bath process. I like to feed her, then give her a bath, just because she's full, and then she'll be in a warm bath. Some nights I'll do the bath first, then feed her. I mean, it all depends, but most nights it's eat, then bath. I'm going to show you guys the products that I use also to wash her up. If you guys want to see her hair routine, I actually have a video on how I wash baby Wynter's hair and the products that I use, but I'll also link them down below as well. And if you've seen my previous video with her, you know she's super silly when she gets in the tub. Like, she loves it. So after that, we're just gonna dry her off.
Hi.
This is her room. It's pretty dirty, but hey. So I'm going to be lotioning her up. If you guys want to know, this diaper is from the Honest company. Love them. I'm going to be mixing 2 lotions. These are the 2. Don't ask why. It's just the habit. I like to mix. I love the smell of baby magic, but then I also love how sensitive the Dove is. I don't know. I just like them both together. I'm not going to put her on much, so she's going to be wearing my nephew's white t-shirt. And then you guys get to see baby Wynter play and how silly she is. I forgot I bought this crown for her a while ago. still has the tag on it. But yeah, my daughter is so silly. I love her. And she's a chatterbox too. Like, she will talk your ears off. You should probably get that for me. But hey. This is pretty much normally what I do to her hair at night. I'm just gonna put the main choice oil, like the growth oil, in her hair, brush it up, put it in a ponytail. If you guys are wondering, I'm not stressing out her hair, but I would hate for it to be matted when I wake up. That's just me. So yeah, this is what I do to her hair every single night. And it's not tight. So cute. I don't know what's going on right here, but yeah. she just, oh my God, I don't understand. And for everyone who's gonna, oh my God, is she gonna fall? No, she's not gonna fall. I'm literally right there. You see me? I'm right there. Hasn't ever fell. I love her so much. I would never, ever. She just likes to jump. Then I'm just gonna give her her milk. She won't drink this whole bottle. She'll drink about half, and then I'll put the other half in the fridge when I go peek on her later at night. And that is it. Say night night to baby Wynter. That is our night routine. This is pretty much what we do every single time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because things are about to change. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Good night, because it's 3 a.m.